Welcome to Valkyrie Simple Finance. Understanding before investing. Stock options are one of the most misunderstood parts of finance. Many people think options are complicated, risky, or only for professionals. In reality, options are just agreements, and once you understand the agreement, the confusion disappears. At its core, a stock option is a contract. It gives you the right, but not the obligation, to buy or sell a stock at a fixed price before a specific date. That's it. No tricks. No magic. Imagine you're interested in buying a house. The seller agrees to reserve the price for you for 1 month, for a small fee. During that month, you can decide whether to buy the house at that price or walk away. That reservation is similar to a stock option. If prices rise, your option becomes more valuable. If prices fall, you lose only the reservation fee. Every option has an expiration date. Once that date passes, the option disappears. This is one of the most important ideas in options. Time works against options. If nothing happens, the option slowly loses value, even if the stock price doesn't move. Options are often described as risky, but the risk is actually defined. When you buy an option, the most you can lose is what you paid for it. No margin calls, no unlimited losses. The danger comes from misunderstanding, not from the option itself. In this series, we'll explain calls and puts, why options change in value, common beginner mistakes, and when options make sense and when they don't. You don't need to trade options to understand them, and you shouldn't trade anything you don't understand. Here, learning always comes before investing. If this lesson helped, subscribe to Valkyrie Simple Finance. Learning comes before investing.